Our next strategy here is sending the messages to those who viewed your profile. So where someone views your profile, it's a great chance to open a conversation. So it's a sign that the person who checked your profile has interest. There's something that he is looking for in your profile. So this could be your scripts or your guided scripts, depending on what you have available. So if you have a lead magnet, you can use this one. Hey, I noticed you check out my profile. Is there anything I can do to help? Anyway, glad to connect. Then PS, just in case you were checking my profile because you're looking for ways on how to, okay, so you have to insert here the result you give to clients and insert also below the link to your lead magnet. So if you don't have a lead magnet but with a value post, hey, I noticed you check out my profile. Is there anything I can do to help? Anyway, glad to connect. And then place a PS here. Just in case you are checking my profile because you're looking for ways on how to, then insert here the result that you want to give to your clients. Then you might want to check this article. So insert the link to your first value post that has a call to action to book a call with you. Okay. So if ever you don't have a lead magnet or no value post. So, hey, I noticed you check out my profile. Is there anything I can do to help? Anyway, glad to connect. Just in case you are checking my profile because you're looking for ways on how to, then insert your what you do and results you give your clients. So you can also insert here your offer statement. Let's say on how to help Shopify sellers get clean, accurate books and stress-free financial reports so they can grow with confidence. Okay? And then just let me know. So this will be your message. Then in your LinkedIn lead gen tracker, insert another sheet for those who viewed your profile. Okay? And then you insert here the date, the name, the LinkedIn profile link, or if he has the email address, you place it here and then the remarks. Okay. So the remarks, whether you've received the reply or not. Okay. So you can view it here under notification. Okay. So use 8 comments, 9 reacted, right? Okay. So let's start here. And 2 other people viewed your profile. Okay. So you check also SOP message. Okay. Okay. Um, mhm. Okay. So I'm looking for um a catchy subject for this message. Okay, let's try this one. It says here optional. So why don't we send the message immediately? Okay, so if you have the lead magnet, okay, let's try this one. Okay. Hey, hey Dewey. I noticed you check out my profile. Is there anything I can do to help? Anyway, glad to connect. Thanks. Just in case you were checking my profile because you're looking for ways on how to, okay, on how to, um, I'm looking on how to have, okay, on how to have a better financial management to reduce stress. Okay. You might want to check out this guide. So, insert here your lead magnet. Okay. So how about I'm going to replace this one. Okay. And then click send. Okay. I'm going to copy this one. Open profile. And then Dewey. So this is okay. And it's okay. So another one. Let's try others. Okay. Web design, digital marketing. Okay. So digital marketing. Mm, Okay, so if I have, let's go with the post. Let's try with the post. Need call to action. Okay, understanding. Should you call to action? Okay, okay. So I can customize consistent. Okay, so mhm, copy link. Okay, I'll try this one. Yes. I notice you check your name just in case you're checking because you're looking for ways on how to have a better financial and how to have oops, I see. And how to have better financial management, reduce stress. You might want to check this article. Okay. So I'm going to copy this link. And then click send. Okay. So I'm going to check this one. I'm going to click. Okay. See? So if Imtiaz Ahmed is going to click this one, he will be directed to my value post. Okay? Edit. Okay. Click save. Better. Okay? So if what if you don't have a lead magnet or value post? Okay. So let's try this one. So message Eric. Okay. So if you don't have a lead magnet or no value post, hey, I noticed you check out my profile. Is there anything I can do to help? Anyway, glad to connect. Just in case you're checking my profile because you're looking for ways on how to, just let me know. Okay, so how about this one? This is I want to give a message, to give a best message to this person because he is the market he belongs is the Amazon FBA business, and this is my target market. So I'm planning to give a value post, link to the value post. Okay. Hey, Eric, I noticed you check out my profile. Is there anything I can do to help? Looking for ways on how to have a better financial management to reduce stress. Okay. So I'm going to insert my post here, copy link to post. Okay. So click send. And then I have to copy this one in my LinkedIn lead gen tracker. We forgot to include the other one. So we have in this. Okay. Send message. Miss Eric. Oops. Okay. So my Apollo here is not working. But anyway, I'll get back on this on the email address once my Apollo is working. Okay, so the most important part here is we have sent messages to those who checked our profile. Okay, and then you get the contact name, the LinkedIn profile, and then you place it in your tracker. Okay, and then make sure you have checked your daily activities in a day. So have you post the LinkedIn, the Facebook, cheerleading? Have you done outreach? Have you sent thank you message? Or have you sent a lead magnet? Okay. And then this cold email. So I'm gonna show you that one. I think that will be the next week task. Okay. So that's it. That's how you send a message to those who viewed your profile.